Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. Are you facing Wi-Fi range slow in your home? No worries. In this video, I will show you how to extend your home Wi-Fi without touching your main Wi-Fi router. For that, you have to buy one Wi-Fi extender. Here, I purchased TP-Link range extender RE305 AC1200. Let's see what all inside the box. Here, you can see in the box there is two installation guide booklets, one card with QR code for setup guide and for downloading the app. And here is the extender. The design looks great. Here is two antennas that you can adjust 90 degrees like this. Here you can see the WPS button. Press that button and you can easily configure your extender with your router. Also, here you can see four lights. One is power, second one is signal, third one is 2.4 GHz signal light, and fourth one is 5 GHz signal light. And bottom side, there you can see reset button and one network port. And this have 3-pin power. That's it. Now let's check how to configure it. For that, first you have to connect the extender to the socket and turn on the power. Now you can see here the power light is turned on. Okay, now on your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Here you will find TP-Link extender Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi from the extender. Simply tap on it and Wi-Fi will connect. There will be no password. Now you can see extender Wi-Fi is connected, but there is no internet on it. Okay, now for setting up internet, simply close this window and install Tether app on your phone. You can find it on Apple Store or Play Store. I already installed it on my phone. Now simply open Tether app. When it is opened, it is automatically detected the extender. You can see here. The device name RE305 shows here. Now just tap on the device name. Now it is asking for set device password. Enter the device password here and confirm it here. Now click on next. Now it is scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Okay. Now it is listed all the nearby 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connections. Choose your main router from here and tap on it. And here, enter your main Wi-Fi password here. Okay, now it is listed all the nearby 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections. If you have any, simply tap on it and enter the password. Here, I just tap on skip. Here, check the main network passwords, then tap on next. Here, you can edit your new extender Wi-Fi name from here. Default, the extender Wi-Fi will be same as your main SSID with EXT. So, here for changing the Wi-Fi name, simply tap on edit and enter your preferred name on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections. Then tap on apply. Now it is applying the settings. Now it is showing that the location of the Wi-Fi extender looks good. If you want, you can arrange it proper place. Now here you can connect the extender Wi-Fi which we created now. You can choose either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Simply tap on connect it. Okay, now Wi-Fi is connected to extender Wi-Fi. And here in the home page, you can see network status, main network, clients and extended networks. And tap on menu icon top left side. And here you can log in or create TP-Link address. I have already TP-Link ID, so I will click on login here. If you don't have, you can create from here and then log in from that account here. Now here in the main page, if you tap on network status, you can see it's online and it shows device is working well. And if you tap on clients, you can see all the connected devices to this Wi-Fi here. From here, if you want to block any of them to use Wi-Fi, simply tap on it and block them. And if you tap on main network, you can see the connected main Wi-Fi connection here. From here, if you want to change the main network, simply click on reselect main network and choose main network from it. If you tap on extended network, you can see both extended networks here. From here, you can disable or hide Wi-Fis. And here in the security tab, you can see security scan, public IP lookup, MAC lookup and antivirus options. And here in the more tab, if you tap on it, here in the blocked list, you can see all the blocked devices here. From here, you can unblock them if you want. If you tap on Location Assistant, you can check Wi-Fi location within the range of main router or not. Just tap on Check Signal. This will tell you the extender location is perfect or not. Now you can see here, the status shows perfect signal. And in the Wi-Fi coverage, you can choose the option as per your choice. Maximum coverage or intermediate coverage or minimum coverage. And in the high-speed mode, you can choose either auto or manual. In auto mode, the extender will automatically disable one of its bands and speed up the other according to its wireless connection to the main network. In the manual mode, you can manually switch off one of the wireless bands and speed up the other. And if you tap on Schedule Power Off, you can set up the extender power off time from here. Tap on plus icon and enter the time, and that time the extender will automatically turn off. And in the operation mode, you can choose either this extender as range extender mode, which we set up now, or you can choose access point mode, so this extender will act as access point. And in the advanced mode, you can set up LAN settings and DHCP settings from here. And if you tap on LED control, you can enable or disable extender LED lights from here. And also, you can set up night mode from here. That means you can turn off extender LED lights automatically for a time period. Just tap on night mode and enter from time and to time here. So here, from 11 PM to next day 7 AM, the LED light will automatically turn off. And in the manager option, you can bind your TP-Link account here and act as manager. And in the system, if you tap on the system time, you can see the device time here. And in the firmware, you can see current firmware version. And also, if any new firmware version available, it will show up here. And you can update it from here. And from Manage Password option, you can manage device password from here. And if you want reboot the extender, you can simply tap Reboot Device. And if you want reset the extender, just tap on this Factory Restore Defaults. This will factory restore the extender. Now, if you look at your extender, you can see all the LED lights blinking. That's all guys. If you find this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.